Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to install the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone 11. So the first step is to open the App Store. Then you want to use the search function and you want to type in Microsoft Teams. You should see it listed in the search results. So tap on it and confirm that it's by Microsoft Corporation. Once you've done that, tap on Get to start the installation process. Confirm using your Apple account password or Face ID. And then once you've done all of that, simply wait for your app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been installed, you want to tap on Open to launch it. Then from here, you can now enroll or create your own team and start using Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.